You have until Friday, the 5th of September to invest in the FGN savings bond for September 2025. And guess what? You can start with as little as 5,000 naira, and the rate this month is slightly higher than what we had in August. For those who don't know, the FGN savings bond is a bond issued by the federal government of Nigeria. What this means is that you are lending money to the federal government, and every year during this lending period, the government will pay you a particular amount of interest every year because they borrowed money from you. And at the end of the bond tenure, you get back the amount you invested in the bond. For this month's offer, the rates are 16.541% for the 3-year bond and 15.51% for the 2-year bond. So what this means is that if you invest in the 3-year bond, for example, every year you are going to get an interest until the bond matures after 3 years. However, this interest will be paid on a quarterly basis. That is, it's going to be split into 4 parts. So let's say, for example, you invest 10 million naira in the 3-year bond. Every year your interest will be 1,654,000 naira, but this is going to be split into 4 parts and paid on a quarterly basis. So every 3 months you will get 413,500 naira paid into your bank account as the interest. In terms of risk ranking, this is one of the least risky investments you can get out there because it is backed by the federal government, the interest is fixed, and then you get your capital at the end of the investment tenure. For this video, I'm going to show you how to fill the form with AfriInvest, just so that you can see it's very easy. All you need to do is to use their link, which I'll put here. So when you get to the page, click on Start, and then it takes you to the next page. When you get to the next page, read the policy and accept if you accept it. And before you start this process, I need to tell you that for AfriInvest, you need to have your CSCS, your CHN, and also an AfriInvest account, because they will need you to fund your AfriInvest wallet before you start investing. If you have all these, then you can go on with the AfriInvest form. If not, simply contact any broker of your choice to do it on your behalf. Then I click on Next and I choose individual because I'm an individual investing. Then I put in my name here. The next page is for me to put in my email address in case they need to contact me. After that, I put in my phone number and then my address. And like I said earlier, you need to have your CSCS and CHN before you fill in this form. So I put that in, then click on Next and put in my CHN as well. Then I choose my bank name from the drop down menu. So this should be the bank you want the interest to be paid into. So I choose the bank and then I put in the bank account number. Then comes my BVN. And on this page, I have to decide if I'm investing in the 2-year bond or the 3-year bond. So I'll choose 3 years here and then put in the amount I'm willing to invest. In this final page, I have to upload a screenshot of my AfriInvest wallet just to show that I have the money I'm willing to invest already deposited in the wallet. So I upload the file and click on Submit. So with that, I've succeeded in investing in the FGN savings bond for September 2025.